Hey everyone, Billy here. Wanted to make a quick video on how to make money online using CPA networks. Specifically, in this video, I'm gonna be going over Nexus. It's a CPA network, and if you don't know what that means, that stands for cost per acquisition. Basically, you can use Nexus to find affiliate offers where you can make commissions, one-time commissions. Okay, so it's not like ClickBank or other, affiliate marketing systems where you can make commissions on the front end and also make commissions on the back end. With CPA networks, you make a one-time commission, and it's usually a lot higher. So, like for instance, an offer might be $49 for the customer, but for you as an affiliate, they're willing to offer you, let's say, $90 one time, and which can be great, especially if how much you're paying for your traffic. It can be very profitable, and another reason why I like using CPA networks is they don't have a refund policy, so to speak, for you anyway. For the customer, it's fine, but if the basically what I'm saying, if the customer asks for a refund, that's not going to fall on you. You get paid either way, right? So that's pretty great because if you're part of other affiliate companies, you could get a refund, 30 days later. That's not going to happen with CPA networks, and that's why I like using them. So this video, I just want to show you around and how to get your links and kind of just show you the most important parts for these companies. They do so much inside these, inside your back office here, but I'm just going to kind of get you started, show you how to get your links, show you where to see your data, and let you kind of figure out, what offers you may want. So this Nexus in particular offers CPA, which is cost per acquisition, or CPL, which is cost per lead. Okay, so literally, you can get paid, a dollar, $2 just for sending a lead to a particular offer, and that's called a CPL. And I'll show you exactly where that is. So right here in Nexus, this is your dashboard. So you're going to see the clicks, your revenue, conversions, your percentages, and that's basically all here on your dashboard. So the next place you want to go is offers. Okay, this is where all your offers are. So we'll click on there. And another good thing about Nexus is most of the offers you won't have to like Cash Network. They used to make you ask to be approved, and then you may have to wait 24, 48 hours before you get approved. But a lot of these offers here on Nexus are public, meaning you can just grab your link and start promoting. So as you see here, these are your offers, and it just shows you the offer. You can click here and it'll kind of show you the preview of what that'll look like. You can see your countries that you're allowed to promote. So this is just the 4 T1 countries, and the payout to you is $100. Okay, and you can see here it's a CPA offer. So this offer for the customer may be $49, but you're going to make $100. Okay, and they do that because the owner of this system knows that on the back end he could probably make more than $100, and so that's why he's willing to offer you that for that lead. So it's pretty good. So as you scroll down here, some of them will be different here. This one, as far as channels, it says you can use display, banner, email, native, and these are different ways you can advertise. Okay, so if you see here, it doesn't show you how much the payout is. Well, if you click View Payouts, it's going to open up this thing here. Let me see if I can move this over for you. And you can see here, it's telling you that the payout is $60, but it also has a downsell. Okay, so if a customer chooses this offer and they don't want to pay the full amount, the business owner is going to offer a down sell. So this is the down sell is to $17, but they're going to pay you $20. So either way, you're still getting paid. So these I do like these kind of offers right here because not everybody wants to take the full offer. So they'll take the discounted offer, and you won't miss out on that. You'll still earn commissions for that. So basically, you just kind of scroll down here, and let me show you a CPL just so you can see what that will look like. Tons of offers here, and they're not all make money online. Some of these offers, like this one here, 5 minutes to look younger. You got a combat fighter, so that's another niche that you can do. You got eat, sleep, burn. That's a very popular offer in the health and weight loss. So, you got surveys here. So if you see here, this says CPA. It's cost per acquisition, but it's really, because you can tell by the payout, $2.40. And, that usually means it's a CPL. So if you click on there, if whoever enters their first name and email address, you're going to get paid $2.40. I mean, and it has to be United States, right? So you have to make sure and pay attention to this. But $2.40 just for somebody putting in their email address. So I mean, you can see why that's pretty awesome. So you got health and weight loss surveys here. Um, so basically, you just wherever your traffic's coming from. I mean, if it's health and weight loss, then obviously you want to stick to these health and weight loss offers. If it's survival, you got a survival niche here. BizOp obviously. So I mean, you just kind of go through here and choose an offer. And so once you're ready and you found an offer, what you're going to do, let's just say you like this offer here. So we're just going to click on it. And once you click on it, you're going to see a preview URL, which you can click there just to see what it's going to look like. I suggest you make sure and read all this here. No SMS, top 4 countries only. No incentivized traffic, no co-reg, no SMS. So you want to make sure you read all that so you can make sure that you get paid. Some of them will even have creative, so you can click on here and you can get an email. And then you can send that to your email list if you already have one. So I mean, that's pretty cool. Not offers will have these, but it's just something to look for. So if you need some emails, here you go. Um, so if you're ready to promote, you just click here, tracking links, and you can see here you creative optional. You can click on here, and depending on which email you want to use, it may have a different landing page. Not all of them will. I normally just grab the link that's already down here, and that would be this one right here. So you would copy that, and that's where you would send traffic to. And it's pretty simple as that. If you're doing more in-depth tracking, advanced tracking, you would put in, your subs here. If you were using Facebook, you'd use Facebook here, and maybe say it was, add one, something like that. And you can see here it adds that on. So if you were doing Facebook and a sale came through, you would be able to see in your back office here that it came from Facebook and it came from your ad one. So it's pretty cool like that. So basically, that's how you get your links and how fast you can be up and sending traffic to these offers. So the next place here, one of the cool things that I like about Nexus is um, you have smart links. Okay, and what this is um, Nexus is keeping track company wide which offers are doing the best as far as conversions. And what they decided to do was give you one link and have them rotating against the top 3 offers for the day. So they come in here every day and they change these offers depending on how they're doing. So you can see here, top BizOp offers. So you would just click on that and grab your tracking link, grab this link. And what that's going to do is that's going to rotate between the top offers that are on the network. Okay, and that's pretty great if you don't want to look at the offers and just choose your own. You can just send traffic here and it would rotate to the top offers. Okay, That's a great way to do it, especially if you're beginning. But you may look here and maybe not like one of the offers, and that's why it's okay if you just go back to offers and choose your own. But if you want to take the guesswork out, just use the smart links. That's the a great way to do it. So you got your post back invoices. I mean, these are more advanced. What I like, another place I look is not reporting here, analytics, and I go to dynamic nested, and this is where you can see, how you've been doing. So if I look, um, let's just say year to date, which for me is not going to look too great because I haven't been sending that much traffic to this network this year. But you can see here, you'll be able to scroll down here and you can see, all the clicks that you sent to this offer, the percentages, your revenue, and this is just how you keep track. So if you wanted to check your stats for today, you would just go to day, run report, and you can see here your stats for the day. So, but other than that, that's basically all that you need to really worry about, especially if you're just beginning, and you'll be able to see all your data and get some pretty good offers. And again, it's super easy and super fun to send traffic to these type offers because they're going to be higher payouts, and you don't have to worry about refunds. So I also do advertise products on ClickBank, and I love doing that because you do get access to back end commissions. But the issue is ClickBank offers that 60-day refund, and they'll take that back from you. So that won't happen when you use Nexus and the CPA network. So another thing I want to bring up as well is in your back office here, you're going to see account manager, name, email, Skype. I definitely suggest you keep these handy and definitely connect with them on Skype because they're very helpful and it's a great company and you'll be able to reach out to these guys whenever you need any help. Maybe you need some more emails for a particular offer. You can literally just hit them up and ask them that, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. It's a benefit for them when we make sales. So they definitely want to do what they can to help. So I've been with Nexus for years, and I get paid on time every time. Never had an issue, and they're just really helpful. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, I appreciate you giving it a like, thumbs up, maybe even leaving a comment. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to it and answer that for you. But otherwise, grab your link, send traffic, and make some sales. So good luck to you.